when I say that free persons help to co-actualize the world with God, I mean that God doesn't determine everything that happens. He allows free creatures to make decisions independently and doesn't determine what they choose. And in that sense, which possible world is the actual world will depend in part on their decisions. So if we imagine two possible worlds that are available to God to create, and in one of them you eat pizza for lunch, and in the other world you eat chop suey, and God allows you to determine what you want to eat that day for lunch, then it's going to be you that will determine which of those two worlds is actual. You co-actualize the world with God. God sets up the world, including the restaurants and you and your financial resources and everything else. But then when it comes time to choosing what you want to eat, he allows you to freely make that choice. And so in that sense, you help to freely determine which world is the actual world.